Guys, I just finished this book by Colleen Hoover. This book titled Verity, and I am shaken. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arabella, your bestie, your chaotic book reviewer, and today we are diving into one of the most twisted, dramatic, what did I just read books I've ever picked up. Buckle up friends, because this is gonna be messy, loud, and totally honest. Let's go! So, here's the basic setup. This book untitled Verity, and the author of this book is Colleen Hoover. Colleen Hoover, usually known for a romance, but in this book, she goes full on dark thriller. Who is the main characters of this book? First, Lowen Ashley. Lowen Ashley is a struggling writer, anxious, just trying to survive. Lowen is the antagonist of this book. And Jeremy Crawford is the wife of Verity Crawford. Jeremy Crawford, grieving hot, mysterious husband. And and Verity Crawford, supposedly endured bedridden author, or is she? So today, let's talk about the plot summary of this book titled Verity. Lowen gets hired to finish Verity's famous book series. She moves into their house, starts reading through Verity's old stuff, and bam! Finds a hidden manuscript. This manuscript is twisted, confessions, secrets, and betrayals, and it pulls Lowen into a spiral of obsession, fear, and danger. By the end, you don't even know what to do and what to believe. What I love about this book is the suspense. I swear every chapter ends on a cliffhanger and I couldn't put it down. What I love this book is the unreliable narration. You never know if you can trust Jeremy, Lowen, or Verity. And my brain was spinning the whole time. And I love the ending of this book. Oh my gosh, the ending, I just sat there like, what just happened? And also, what I hate about this book, or what drove me crazy. Lowen, girl, why are you creeping around the house in the middle of the night? You know, every horror movie says that that's a bad idea. And I hate some of the dark, disturbing content, like the warning. There are scenes about trauma and harm that are genuinely hard to read. And at the ending, part of me loves the twist, part of me wants to throw the book across the room, like, how dare you, Colin Hoover? Why did you make this book so bad? I give this book Verity a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. And would I recommend it? Absolutely, but only if you're ready for a dark, twisted, mind bending ride. If you're sensitive to intense themes, be careful. But if you want a thriller that will leave you screaming, what just happened? And question, what just happened? What this kind of book? But I finished it. This book, Verity, is your next read. Detective's tip, when you finish, find a friend and talk about it. You're going to need backup to process that ending. Tapos, nila mabalik. Let's get nerdy for a second using psychoanalytic approach. This book plays on the character's subconscious fears and desires. Verity's manuscript, is it real or her twisted fantasy? Lowen's paranoia, is she sensing danger or projecting her own insecurities? Colleen Hoover is basically playing with our minds, making us question reality, trust, and identity, and ate it up. Why I picked this book? Why did I pick Verity for this vlog? Honestly, I wanted drama. I wanted a book that would make me yell at the pages, text my friends, and force me into a Google theory hole. Plus, I wanted to see if Colleen Hoover, Queen of Romance, could actually pull off thriller. Spoiler, she totally did. Alright friends, that's it for today's chaotic, dramatic, emotional review. Have you read Verity? Hope you read Verity. Drop your theories in the comments. Do you believe Verity's story or was she playing everyone? Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more bookish chaos every week. Until next time, stay dramatic, stay book obsessed, and I'll see you soon. Bye!